Hello, Debbie here from Debbie's New Chapter, and I've got yet another recipe here. Now, usually I do smoothie recipes, but today I'm going to experiment a little bit and I'm going to see if I can make this taste more like a milkshake. I actually love milkshakes. I would say I prefer milkshakes to smoothies, but I just got into the way of smoothies because I was using a lot of mixed fruit to add to my carnivore diet. Fruit is not in the carnivore diet, by the way, but I just wanted to have some in my diet. So I still eat strawberries, blueberries, sometimes melon, bananas. And I know that's got a lot of sweet in it, and I'm trying to cut down on sugar because it helps my acid reflux to go away. But I do add a bit of fruit in. Not going to deny the fact I do that. So my carnivore diet is more, I suppose it's more of a ketovore diet. It's not strictly carnivore. Anyway, the point is today I just would like to try and make a strawberry milkshake. But I don't have any milk. So I've got some water in my jug. I'm going to add almost a full punnet of fresh, small strawberries. And I'm going to add some double cream. There we are. The last smoothie I made, I had double cream in it and I had pineapples and it really didn't go together. So I won't be doing that again. And it is a beautiful day here in Scotland and I am about to go out and do my garden. I want to do some tree trimming and bush trimming. But I'm going to take this out with me to give me some refreshment while I'm out there. So I have to do this first before I do my garden. So let's whisk up the strawberries, cream and water. If I hate this, it's going to end up as a smoothie. Right, let's do the taste test. Yuck. I'm not going to lie. That is horrible. Oh. It's just so black. It's just nothing. Okay. I'm going to keep going here. Yuck. I wouldn't drink it. I think it's too watery. I could add more cream and strawberries, but I'm going to add banana. I could see this ending up as a smoothie for sure. Let's whisk that up. So I've added some frozen blueberries. The frozen blueberries add a lot of flavour. This is transitioning into a smoothie. It's going to transition into a smoothie. Right, let's try that. So I'm going to add another couple of fresh strawberries, although the fresh strawberries really don't give a lot of flavour. I'm going to add a nice cube and mix it again. So it now has a full punnet of small strawberries, quite a few frozen blueberries, a banana, cream, water, ice cubes. That's it at the moment. Time for a taste test. It wouldn't go up the straw, so it needs mixed a bit more. Only takes a wee bit, to stop it going up the straw. So that's it. It's a lovely consistency, much better than the one I did yesterday with the pineapple and too much cream in it. And I was going to call this video strawberry milkshake, but I can't call it strawberry milkshake anymore. So this is now strawberry and blueberry smoothie. I think more than a milkshake. It could be a milkshake. Let me see. Well, you could call that a milkshake actually, because it's kind of got the consistency of a milkshake. Right, gosh, what do you think, guys? What should I do? Should I add some more cream? Should I add some mango? Or should I just drink it the way it is? I'm not sure what to do. What does that tell you? It tells you it's maybe not my best one, but it's definitely very drinkable. There's a wee bit more cream. A few more blueberries. A little drop of frozen mango. Remember that every single one of these recipes is an experiment. I'd like you to put in the chat, please, what your own experiments consist of. I'd like you to tell me what you think of my experiments and my smoothies. And I'd like you to, well, no, don't ask me why I don't put vegetables in, because I don't like the taste of them. I would never in my life drink a broccoli smoothie. It's got to be something I like. I'm making these for myself. I'm not making them for somebody else. So I'm going to mix this up now with the mango in it. And I'll see how I get on. Well, I am really surprised. Honestly, it only takes the smallest thing to change the consistency. You saw me add a little bit of cream, a small amount of mango, and that is so much thicker. This is more like a smoothie consistency. Let me see what it tastes like. That is a nice taste. Yeah, I like that better. So I'm going to go and do my gardening now, and I'm going to take my smoothie out with me. My smoothie, not my milkshake, my smoothie. Please like and subscribe and share my channel if you want to. Thank you. Bye.